Hey, pretty girl.
You got enough time to look at your paper this morning before you got to go into your office?
I think so. We're going to find out. I'm going to try.
Okay. Yeah, the pollen. You can see it. It's not horrible yet, but it's here. Lots of birds chirping.
Yeah, I agree. Lots of. You know, I don't think that we've got to really explore a little bit.
They can't be too far.
Yeah, because I think when I was hauling off that brush yesterday, I heard somebody squawking back there.
Huh. We saw bluebirds at the bluebird box for the first time yesterday too, so we'll be keeping an eye on that.
Right. Oh wow, our dogwood actually looks like it's got some blooms on it.
Yep. It's pretty. They start out green and they get white, the blossoms, as they go. Good morning. Where's Morris? Where's your buddy? Hopefully he'll be here shortly. I'm on my way to meet Michelle, and yeah, there's definitely some pollen. Not as bad as it can get, but definitely some pollen. We have a very white gray sky right now. We do have rain incoming this afternoon. They've warned us we could have severe weather again. I just, I'm sort of over all of the warnings and watches. It's just gotten to be a bit much for me. We shouldn't have anything to worry about while I'm up here with Michelle. It's more later on in the afternoon, although it very possibly could start raining while I'm in Guardian Angel. So we'll see. I'm gonna have a good time with Michelle and try not to dwell on it. I looked at the weather, I assessed the weather, and then made a decision it was okay to drive Ruby, and not gonna worry about it. So I tell myself. In my spot. I saw that Michelle had Ariel with her. I'm not sure if her kids are out today, probably. Johnny has school today, but not tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's an asynchronous day. And then Friday he's off. You know, he already had his spring break. His schedule's a little different than Michelle's kids. Hello, I saw we have a guest shopper today. Yes, hey, Ariel. Hi. Are you guys out this week? Are you out this week?
Yeah, I'm out this week.
All right, Johnny already had his spring break, so he's in school today.
Aww.
Did you find your treasure today?
Yes, well, the treasure chest.
Scooby-Doo, where are you? I'm sorry, did I offend you, huh? Okay.
Then, of course, for Connor.
You'll float too.
This is supposed to be for me. Or for you. And then this, Loki.
Aha, way cool.
That is nice. That's it. We're going to see Godzilla versus King Kong.
And you got all of the merch on, you know, yeah. Well, you guys have at the Almo, the sit down, eat theater and carry.
Yes. We're all excited. I'm voting. I'm really, voting for King Kong. He's my favorite, but I do love Godzilla.
That's a disgrace to
I know.
this
It's so. I just feel he's so much more vulnerable.
He's just a monkey.
That's why I feel for him. I love monkeys.
He's just a monkey. He's literally a big monkey. Godzilla is a cool lizard. There's a difference.
All right. Well, you guys have fun. Going out to the movies and eating out sounds like fun to me.
Godzilla's literally.
Yeah, they give you free stuff too.
Yeah.
Like a ball of play balls with that has the face of King Kong, and
Okay.
I think they're called Mad Balls, something like that. They did them from Gremlins too.
Sounds like fun. I'm down here doing my Pokemon at South Park, and wow, the amount of pollen that collected on Ruby while she sat at Guardian Angel. Whew. Hey there.
Hey there.
They let you out of your,
Yeah.
away from your computer for a few minutes?
Yeah, one of them had a hard stop at noon. So
Uh-huh.
we absolutely, we dropped like boom. So that was good, I guess. I got a. Anyway, the point is, yes, it was nice to have a limited to 2-hour meeting today.
Gray and I are sitting here on the bench and we're starting to get rained on. So that's not fair. Hi, honey. I think I'm going to be okay to be out taking Johnny to his private Taekwondo lesson in person. It might rain, but there's no alerts up for anything serious, and I checked the radar and it didn't seem too close. And I'm not, matter of fact, if the car would get wet and wash some of this pollen off, that would actually be a plus at this point. It's just as long as there's not any hail. So by all means, rain. We'll be up here in the old Rose's Shopping Center at the Taekwondo school. Boy, that brings back lots of memories. It's been a while. Well, they have completed putting new dirt down on the high school field and got lines and bases, and I think some of the high school kids are hanging out underneath the pavilion, the little picnic area, because it's been sprinkling a little bit. So, but I think they're going to be playing this year. Another day, more clicking and more kitty company. He's very good at sleeping while you work.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we had so much rain that it didn't even wash the pollen away. Yep.
Yep, still hanging around.
Yep, another one of those. We're gonna get it. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
and yeah, it barely rained.
Yeah, boy.
No wind, no hail, no nothing.
Yeah. Well, maybe, we could still have severe weather.
Right.
Probably not.
Probably not.
But, it's clearing back that way.
Yep. I asked Don to go get the mail at 6 o'clock. He's done with work for the day. I sorted Legos a little bit, getting ready to, do more projects, means knowing where my stuff is. Hey, buddy. Hi. Legos? Oh.
Junk mail.
I need brown windows.
No, you got junk mail.
I need brown windows.
No gotta.
Ah. Yeah, don't walk yourself on the head just because I did the last time I put the suet up there. You do better than me, okay? I saw a woodpecker. That's easy for me to say. I saw a woodpecker looking, so we got to put some more in it. I think it's pretty cat-proof over there where that is. I'm admiring the dogwood trees coming up in the yard. This thing smells like heaven right now, the olive osmanthus. All new growth. And it just smells divine. Hi, kitties. Well, I'm glad we didn't get a scare this afternoon. I don't like it when my kitties get scared. Aww. Hi, girls. Hi. That's as hard as I'm going to make you work today.
She's going to feed me now. Deviled eggs.
Yeah, I made deviled eggs a little while ago.
Yeah.